Clean the surface of the tile to remove dust or other contaminants that would hinder the adhesion of the suction cups, but don't lean on the tile while you are doing it. You can use the safety pegs to align the frame to the tile, ensuring the tile is square under the frame. Align the bottom of the tile to the frame so that the adjustable feet extend slightly beyond the tile itself. This will protect the bottom edge of the tile when lifted into a fully vertical position. Check all suction cups and make sure the wheels are locked. The wheeled carriage can be removed from the frame or left in place based on preference. Wet down absorbent substrates right before you start to apply mortar. Wiping of the back of the tile before applying mortar is crucial to good bonding. Do not set the mortar bucket on the tile. Also support the edge of the tile with your free hand when keying or troweling the mortar. After keying in the mortar with the flat edge of the trowel, spread mortar all over the tile and gauge the mortar layer with the notch side of the trowel. Gauging the mortar over the entire tile and then pulling the final ridges at the end will maximize the open time of the mortar. Straight mortar ridges are essential to achieving proper coverage and elimination of air. Trowel mortar ridges from the center line of the tile to the outside edge, always perpendicular to the long side of the tile. Mortar ridges on the substrate should always be parallel with the ridges on the tile. Before lifting the tile, be sure to recheck the suction cups and make sure the wheels are locked. Before removing the frame, firmly tap the center line of the tile to promote initial adhesion. Make any minor adjustments while the frame is still attached. Use the weighted coated bead-in paddle or high-speed orbital sander to fully embed the tile. Work the entire center line first, then from the center out across the widths of the tile to collapse the ridges and evacuate the air. When removing excess mortar in a direction parallel to the ridges, cut mortar straight down and pull away, leaving every opportunity for the air channels to remain open. Place the lippage control straps approximately 10 to 12 inches apart and 2 to 3 inches in from the corners. Installing them at this time will allow you to comb the mortar from the tile edge outward without the base plates being in the way. Insert the desired spacer, minimum 2 mm on walls, while the frame is still attached, bumping the frame to bring the grout joint and tile ends into alignment. Clean the initial mortar that has accumulated in the grout joint. Apply the lippage control cap, tightening by hand onto the tile surface. Using the sander in conjunction with the tightening tool will assist in getting full mortar coverage at the edge of the tile, encapsulating the lippage control base and eliminate the lippage between the two edges. Using the high-speed orbital sander at the perimeter of the tile, while the mortar is still fresh, is crucial to achieving full coverage under the edges of the tile. Remove any remaining mortar from the joint, including the mortar under the lippage control cap and around the strap. Be careful not to move the strap left to right once inserted. It could create a mortar void under the edge of the tile. Replace the cap and retighten with the tightening tool.